Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be making raspberry puff pastry stars. These have been trending for the holidays, so if you're looking for something new to add to your holiday menu, stay tuned. Here's what you'll need if you decide to make this recipe. First, I'll start by making a simple egg wash. I'm combining 1 egg and a splash of milk, mixing and setting to the side. Next, I'll preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit while I prepare the puff pastry sheets. I stretched out both sheets just to even them out, and then I'm spreading the raspberry jam on one of the puff pastry sheets. This is a 12-ounce jar of jam, and I'm only going to use about half of the jar. This is just my preference. You can definitely add more or less to suit your taste. Once I reach my desired amount, I'll lay the second puff pastry sheet on top and use my star-shaped cookie cutter to cut into the dough. This is going to make about 9 stars. Next, I'll add my egg wash to each of the stars. Sprinkle a little sugar on top. I'll bake these for about 12 to 13 minutes, and then I'm topping them off with a little powdered sugar. I love these. They are really simple to make. If you don't like raspberries, try some Nutella or maybe some strawberry jam. You can even add some icing on top if you like. Alright you guys, so that's it for today's video. If you liked this recipe, go ahead and check out these videos right here. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.